Hello everyone, today I'm stripping down my touring bike with the racks and mudguards, putting some chunkier tyres on for winter to make it into a winter commuter bike for around the villages here in Suffolk. This will have to put up with dirt tracks and muddy and wet conditions over the winter, hopefully a bit of snow as well, so I can go camping in the snow again. That was really fun. So yeah, I'll get on and do that. Roll the time lapse. Brilliant, so much more lightweight already I think. Right guys, bike looks lovely, nice and lightweight, much more lightweight anyway than it was. It's a steel frame, obviously Reynolds 520 frame. I'm going to put some new tyres on it, but first, before I put the specialised trigger tyres on it, I'm going to give it, oh that's warm, I'm going to give it a nice little bath to get all the grit and grime out in between all these cable ties. I'm going to replace them and just give it a quick little once over really. Well, not a quick once over, a thorough once over, put my tyres on, and I'll get back on with the time lapse. I got my multi-tool wet, but I will actually take these bottle cages off just so I'm clean behind them. Right everyone, we've got everything nice and clean now, so I'm going to go ahead and put these new tyres on. We'll start with the front, I feel. Get a bit of arm ache doing this hub one, but it's about 1.5 kilos of weight just in the hub. I'm going to be putting a brand new inner tube in the rear one with the hub in, primarily because it's got a racing Presta tube in it and not a normal car style valve, so we'll get on with this. At this point you may need to pay attention to what way the tread's going, so this is facing towards me and that's the same, so I know that's going to be the right way around, and the quick release on the wheel is going to be on the left hand side of my bike, which is exactly where I want it. Right, I'll quickly head and run and get my pump. If I open it, I'll be able to pump up my tyre. My pump on my bike's fine, but if it's not an emergency, you can get away with this. Right, I've got a couple of pounds per square inch in this. That's sharp. You just want to go around it quickly and just make sure the inner tube's not twisted around anywhere. That's fine, so I'll continue now and pump that right up. Right, there you go, there's one wheel done. Now, on with the rear tyre, then I'll put it back on the bike. What I like to do with the new inner tube, this is a fairly big one, so just give it a little stretch not so it rips, but just a little stretch. Then fill it up about 1/5 of the way with air, so then you have a good stable platform to measure up and fit into your tube. There we go, we just filled it up a little bit of the way. You find the little valve hole all the way over here, put this in the tube in. And again, carefully make sure you don't twist it anywhere along the way. Just put it in roughly, and then making sure it's sat beaded correctly when you're pressing it in like this, so you don't get any pinch flats when you're just doing it up like I am here. Make it a little bit tight. You just curve it over the lip of the bead with your palm of your hand's strongest point. Right, let's pump this up and see what it looks like. Right guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me convert my touring bike into a winter commuter. I'll be using this over the next 3 to 7 weeks type thing, under a couple of months, and I'll put my Rex back on ready for touring for next year's adventures. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time, stay safe and I hope you find peace.